Thailand. Thailand to rate first in this India versus Thailand match. In comes a Sai Singh Pramod. Keep an eye on the cover. Now, the cover will discourage, is looking for the bonus. Vishal Bharadwaj has been around on the circuit for a long time. Reputed left corner, isn't he? In comes the captain. A mark of respect. Touches the court. It's such a beautiful feature of Indian sport. Tries a running hand touch on the right corner. Pawan Kumar Sehrawat will threaten the left corner with the bonus and the kick. The first show of fire there from the Indian captain. And he always looked like he'd get a point, didn't he? It's just the movement sometimes that tells you what zone the raider is in. Coach Bhaskaran looks on as well. Very, very focused eyes, not reacting. He's also indulging in a conversation with the women's team when they were struggling in their first game.
Yeah, we did see him very involved in what was a cracking contest between India and Chinese Taipei, where India came back from that game, won fairly comfortably yesterday. But speaking about good contest, oh, that is a good one. He's gotten that touch on Sunil in that right cover, and that's encouragement for the Thailand team. Wonderful running hand touch. And this man that you see, Naveen Kumar, possibly one of the swiftest on the kabaddi mat. He's lightning quick. You never want to get into a running race with this man. And he's very effective on those running hand touches. He's gotten the bonus. In the other pool, Pakistan and Malaysia, massive pool game today. We expected it to be Korea and Iran coming in from that other group, Manish. Korea went on to lose against Malaysia and then against Pakistan as well. He's gotten it. How many has he cleared?
Yep. So, no escape. Remember, it's the whistle that decides if the raid is still active or not. So, by and by, we'll try and explain to you the basic rules as well. The bonus is available. Remember, you've got to have 6 or 7 on court in the defense for the bonus line to be active. And this man knows a thing or two or more about how to get a bonus, how to steal a bonus. Moves around in that in that opposition court like a gazelle, gets the bonus, comes back, adding to India's kitty. In comes Pramod Sai Singh, a 3-point lead now. Take a look at the high line defense of India. Just goes to show the confidence. They will give him just enough space to try for a bonus, and that's really a trap. No, I don't think he was over the bonus line there. If he comes anywhere close to Vishal Bharadwaj, I promise you, the right cover will pounce on him.
Possibly one of the taller raiders you'll see on the mat. Ravindra Shetty. Yeah, just going back to the bonus rule. While it's just quite brilliant, Nitesh coming in from the right corner with the block. And it's all about picking the right moment, isn't it? A split second too late, you'll pay the price. And he just gets a little bit of support from Vishal Bharadwaj, making sure that that dangling right hand doesn't go past the midline.
No bonus. He'll have to try something else, and that is exactly what he does. With his footwork, he sort of tends to set the cat among the pigeons in the defense, tempts them for an ankle. That's exactly what he did there. And an easy escape to give India a 7-point lead with just over 15 left in that first half. Remember, in the men's kabaddi, 2 halves of 20 minutes each. There is completely sucked into that chain tackle. There's no chance of escaping that.
Done and dusted, just pushes him away. And the first all out of the match comes by Team India.
What's good to see is India have come in switched on. What an escape. It took him 6 or 7 seconds to come back with 2. He's claiming 2. I think he's got it. He looks confident. Naveen Kumar.
Brilliant. Oh, he's gotten that. He's muscled at least 2 From the reaction, I think Naveen Kumar is one of them, and I think Vishal Bharadwaj. No, in fact, it's Nitesh and Vishal. Did Naveen get a touch as well? 3 and a super raid from Thailand. That is one way to come back in this game, and the fact that you're doing it against India, quite brilliant.
He thought he had to. Little did he know that it was a super raid. A 10-point lead for India still. Thailand, the only high point really of this half so far is that super raid a little while ago. Get 3 points, and also means you revive 3 of your players. So that's a huge plus for Thailand. They have a full house in the defense, but that also means there was a bonus active for Arjun, and he comes back with it. 16-5 to the Indians now with just over 12 left in this first half. No bonus, 2 chains of 2. Watch out for that chain tackle coming in from the left. Will they go for it? Will it be a dash? Only if the number 4 goes deep inside their defense. Not to be. The bonus still active. Here comes the Indian. The right trader, India's Pawan Kumar Sehrawat, the captain as well. He walks in, does an excursion of the full defense, walks around, and then suddenly does that. A sudden burst of energy from the Indian captain, gets a point.
I don't know why he's called the high flyer. Unbelievable from the Indian athletics contingent, and we're far from done. That spitting toe touch from Pawan Sehrawat. Oh, it's Naveen Kumar, in fact. He's so quick, but I'm really impressed.